Oh yeah, I'm just putting some new bits together for the eServices video, and I thought sort of who better to ask some questions to. First off, how would you describe eServices and the value we provide to somebody completely new?
I've worked for eServices now for just over 18 years, being a technician through to a senior role and now managing the team. Throughout that time we've worked with schools in the Wolverhampton area, but now we've started expanding that out into the wider areas such as Dudley, Stafford, Walsall and Birmingham. Our aim are for schools to be cloud-based, manage everything from within the cloud, including printers, users, data and devices.
Lovely, thank you. I'll be visiting you at a school shortly to capture some more footage, but in regards to schools, how do you go about fostering positive working relationships with staff and students?
As a service, we aim for our staff to become part of their school community that they serve and ensuring excellent communication, responsiveness and a proactive approach to their IT support. And we're building new relationships each year as we expand the service.
Perfect. Thanks for speaking with me. I'll see you in a bit.
All right.
Yeah.
I think the main highlight for the technicians is that they get to see the impact that our service has on young people's lives within the schools that we support. It also then allows us to contribute to the council's plan that children grow up well and achieve their full potential. With our cloud-first approach and the increase in cyber attacks affecting schools, managing everything with Microsoft Azure gives us the tools to improve security as threats become more and more complex. We protect our users with security features such as multi-factor authentication, robust disconnected backups, protection of our networks including firewalls and safeguarding features using cloud-based filtering and monitoring. We work with schools that have a mixed device estate and have developed a strategy where we manage everything from within the cloud. This aims to help schools save money, provide better flexibility, better reliability and more confidence for staff and spend more time focused on the important things. We can provide schools with an understanding of the risks they face daily and they can have instant notice of concerns affecting safeguarding.
We've spoken about the technical side of eServices. However, there's another side that we haven't touched on yet, and that's the web team. I'll walk you through what we have to offer now. Your online presence is just as important as the image you have in your surrounding community. And what better way to enhance that than with a professional, bespoke website? We'll work with you through every step of the process to ensure that we deliver a high quality website that meets all your needs. And with a team with multiple years of experience, we'll definitely help you to achieve this. With there being over 60 schools that we've created websites for, we'll offer things such as a bespoke design for every site that we make, just so we can capture that unique brand identity. And also we'll build our sites with the latest features, such as any interactive elements, or any bespoke graphics you'd like on any areas or pages. We like to go one step further here at eServices, so we may suggest ideas to keep things looking fresh and functioning smoothly on your website. Also, after a while, we'll offer you a redesign for your website, completely free as part of the website package. As well as designing websites, we also offer a management service as well, using these features. I've mentioned having a uniform identity and look across everything, and through our branding and design work, we'll definitely help you to bring your vision to life with this. Whether you're after logo designs, flyers and posters, letterheads, virtual tours, ID cards and lanyards, external and internal signage, school prospectuses and folders, or even school mugs, we'll have you more than covered, and that's only a small list of what we have to offer. To see a full list of what we have to offer, please visit our website below. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so if you'd like us to come and visit you to capture what you do, our photography package will be perfect for you. If an image isn't enough, our video creation package can definitely achieve what you're after, not to mention the launch of our new 4K drone package, which seems to be a hit. Nowadays, social media is a very effective way of updating parents and also showcasing what's going on in school. So whether you opt into our full support package, ask us to simply get you started, or just want us to check on things here and there, we'll make sure to elevate and enhance your social media presence. Our packages can include a number of things, mainly our quick and reliable support. We'll also create bespoke graphics for you across all of your social media platforms, giving you that strong, consistent brand identity. Privacy and safety is a priority with social media, especially with younger children. So we'll always give you suggestions for safety and privacy across all of your social media platforms.
You've opened your email, written an email, attached a document, put it all together. That's a fact. Okay? Even then.
Also, eServices provide a range of training courses at various skill levels. These courses are available to any school or organisation and can be tailored to individual needs. We also offer bespoke training and are able to visit you during staff meetings, inset days, or we can carry out training remotely via Microsoft Teams. I think it's safe to say, here at eServices we're enthusiastic about providing you with the most value in what we do, as well as working with yourself to achieve your vision. So please don't hesitate to contact us so we can discuss how to bring your ideas to life.